Hello, hi everyone. This is my group. This is our case study. Our group has four members. First, my name is Muhammad Nagani. Second, my brother Faryakim, Sabrugani, and Akil Haida. Okay, this is first question. Security and Protection Service, an organization that handles sensitive data, depends on the operating system security framework to maintain confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. The administrator is tasked with configuring firewalls, access permission, and intrusion detection system to secure the com- computing environment. Okay, question 1A1. Define the concept of security and protection service in operating system. Answer: security and protection service in an operating system are machines designed to safeguard system resource and data from unreasonable access, modification, or destruction. They secure confidentially only authorized users can access information. Integrity data remains accurate and unaltered. Availability resources can accessible to legitimate user when needed. These services include access control, authentication, encryption, and interaction prevent system. Okay, question 1A2. Describe authentication, authorization, and encryption mechanism that en- enhance system security. Enhance verify the identify of user top password biometric or multi-factor authorization before granting access. Authorization determine what action or resources a verified user is allowed to be accessed based on rules and permission. Encryption conversion data into a coded format to prevent unauthorized user from reading it during storage and transmission. Together, this machine ensure that only verified user can access permit resource and that data remains secure from interaction and tampering. Question 1A3. Discuss how access control, policy, and privilege management protect system resource from misuse. Access control policy define how who can access specific file program or device and under the confident. Privilege management limits user capability to only what is necessary for their rules, principle and at least this prevent unreasonable modification or deletion of file, misuse of administration, prevent and malware or independent threat from enhancing access. Okay, this is question 1A4. Explain the importance of implementing audition monitoring and backup strategy to prevent and recovery from security breach. Answer: auditing and monitoring, track and record user activity, detection unusual behavior, and identify potential security breaches early. Backup strategy: insecure data can be resourced after system failure, ransomware attack, or accidental deletion. Recovery planning enable rapid system resource to minimize downtime and data loss. These strategies strengthen security by providing earlier detection, accountability, and business continuity after in incidents. After incidents. Okay, that's all from me. This question I will call my friend for I came to do it. Sorry, my English very bad. I'm very sorry. Okay, bye.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Faris Hakim Fazli. I'm from the IT1H. Today, I want to answer the next question. This 1B. A medium-sized company named Tech Mobile Solution is expanding its operation across 3 floors at a new building. Each floor houses different departments. Floor 1 Administration and human resources consists of 5 workers using laptops and 1 printer. Floor number 2, software development and R&D consists of 10 workers using high-spec desktop, the printer and a server. And floor number 3, customer support and sales consists of 5 workers with desktop. And this is the question. Choose any network topology and visualize the network topology for each floor for Nova solution with diagram. And this is the answer. We use star topology is because it is easy to manage and expand. If one cable fail, only the connected device is affected. All devices are connected to a central hub or switch.
Hi, my name is Akil Haidar from the 81 Days. My session is answering question number 2. So the question is to describe instruction set, machine and assembly language. The answer is the instruction set. First, the instruction set, a collection of all commands that the CPU can execute. It defines how software control hardware operation. The second one is machine language, the lowest level language made of binary code, 0 and 1, just the CPU can execute directly. The third one is assembly language, a human-readable form of machine language using symbolic code mnemonics like MOV, AAD, and SUV. The next question is: the microprocessor contains several groups of instructions designed to write source code. Discuss the group of instructions below with the related example. First, arithmetic instruction. Second, data transfer movement. The third one is logical instruction. The answer is for arithmetic instruction is perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Example: add ADD AB at the content of the register B to A. The second one is data transfer or movement instruction. Used to move or copy data between the register, memory, or input-output device. Example: MOV AB copy data from register B to A. The third one is a logical instruction. Perform bitwise and a logical operation like AND or SOR and compare. Example: AND AB perform logical and between A and B. Logical A and D between A and B. That's all for me. I will invite my friend. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Sabrgani from the 81H. So today I will be talking about question 2C. Find D1 value after instruction execution below, which is given the D0 equals to 00000015 and the D1 is equal to 00000055. Then we got 8 questions to answer. So this is the answer for the question number 1. You just need to move the uh, numbers from the destination. The destination is D1 to the numbers from the source to the destination. So, but we cannot move it because there's already it's the space is not emptied. So we just keep it the same way. Then next question is question number 2. Still the same, but this time you need to do addition. So this is a decimal number. To do addition, you need to change the decimal number to hexadecimal first, and then it say add by the term of byte. So that means these two in the back need to be plus in a hexadecimal numbering system. So when you plus it, and you will get the answer. Next, question number 3 is you need to do subtraction, also in the term of bytes. Take the one in this on the destination, which is D1, and minus it with the byte term in the D0, and you will get the answer. Next is question number 4. You need to do multiplications in terms of word. That means 4 space. Also same here, 4 spaces. So when you take this, you time with this in the term of hexadecimal numbering systems, you will get this answer. You just make sure to keep it remain. The D0 is remaining the same for every questions because you cannot change the source. Next is question number f- question number 5. So D0, and you need to do dividing. You need to divide. So we have this, the hexadecimal numbers. You need to divide in the terms of word. So you just divide it in the D1. You take these four numbers, which is because it is word. So you take these four numbers and you just divide it and you will get the answer. This is number 6 is AND gate. This is an AND gate solution. So it's just the same, but you need to do the multiplication in terms of AND gate. So first make sure to change the number they given into a binary number first. So that way it will be easier. Same go to this number. Take the two number behind because it says in terms of byte. And when you do multiplication just as I showed, you will get the answer. Then number 7, this is OR gate. OR gate means you need to do plus, you need to do addition, but in terms of OR gate, so this is a byte term, so you just take these two plus by these two, the two on the back on D1 and the two on the back on D0, and you just plus, but you need to make sure to change the both number into binary and then change it back the answer into hexadecimal. And finally, we got number 8. So this is exclusive OR gate. That means if the number is same, then the answer will be 0. So as you can see here, it wants in terms of byte, and the number that it want to exclusive OR is uh, hexadecimal number 25. So make sure to change it to binary number first as I showed, and then you will get the answer. If the number are same, the answer will be 0, and then you change it back to hexadecimal answer and you can write it. So that's all from our team Kingan. Thank you everyone.